paper. 1, 2, 3. These are various ways of asking how to round off. So here you are being told to round off to 2 decimal places, to 3 decimal places, to 2 decimal places. So one thing you need to understand that 2 decimal places can be abbreviated as DP. Decimal places can be abbreviated as DP. So instead of writing decimal places, you can write DP. That's one thing you need to understand. So Teacher John, a private tutor. I always teach in houses. There's some kids that are not going to school, and learners that are not going to school for various reasons. That is what I do. I don't teach in school. But here, during my free time, I do record videos, exam questions, and also coursework. This Kenya Science Academy. If you're new here, you are welcome. If you don't need these lessons, you can just subscribe and like the video. It will go to the other people. Then if you're new, please ensure that you subscribe to the channel so that, why are you subscribing in the first place? In order to move the video or to pass the video to the next person. If you subscribe and like the video, it will move to the next person. So do yourself. There's no way that I'm the only son of my father, I'll be doing these videos, then you are not liking or subscribing. Okay, I want to teach again. Let me teach. So here, round off the number to 2 decimal places. Round off the number to 2 decimal places. That's the first one. So the first question here, round off the number. Which number is that? 6.07852. 6.07852. 6.07852. I'm rounding off to how many decimal places? This now to 2 decimal places. So what can we do? These are the decimal places. How many decimal places do we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 decimal places. We said decimal places are counted after the decimal point. The first digit after the decimal point is the first decimal place. Then you count from left to right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This number has 5 decimal places. So we are being told to round off to 2 decimal places. In rounding off, we say that we have to identify the number of decimal places we are rounding off. So 1, 2. So 7 is in the second decimal places. So this is what I'll be rounding. I consider the digit to the right of 8, which is 8. So if the digit is 0, 1, 4, 5, digit is 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. What do? We maintain 7 here, then we write 0.6. But if it is 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9, we add 1. We round up. Rounding up is just by adding 1 to the digit we are rounding. As simple as that. So since we have known this, we are going to move very fast in the 2 other equations. We don't need to waste time. So here, 1, 2. So 8 fall under this category. So I round up by adding 1. So it will be 8, 0, 6. So we write 0.08. Then you indicate you have rounded off to 2 decimal places. So this is your answer. Always remind the examiner or the marker or your teacher that you have rounded off your answer to 2 decimal places, 2 DP. Simple and clear. Number 2. What do I have as my number 2? Round off the number to 3 decimal places. Since now I know the number is 32.01406. So round off to 3 decimal places. The first decimal place is 0. Second, third. So this 4 is what I'm rounding. The number to the right of it is 0. 0 fall under this category. I round it down. How do I write it down? By maintaining 4 there. 1, 0.23. So here, I can do away with the other digits. Why? They don't affect the decimal point or the place value of each and every digit I'm having here. So my final answer will be 32.014. I've rounded off to 3 decimal places. 3 DP. Very, very simple. The last one, number 3. What do you have as number 3? Round off the number to 2 decimal places. Which number do I have? 0.99999. I'm rounding off to 2 decimal places. What am I going to do? I count. 1, 2. So it is 9. The last digit, the digit to the right of it is still 9, which fall under this. Will I round up or down? I will round up. By doing what? Adding 1 to this 9 here. So if I add 1 here, 9 plus 1 plus 9, that is now 10. I write 0. I carry 1. Here, 1 plus 9 is still 10. I write 0. I carry 1. Add it this side. So 1 plus 0, this now will be 1. So 0.99 rounded to 2 decimal places, it will be 1.00. Then you indicate you rounded your number to 2 decimal places. So this is now rounding off of different values. So once you have 9, ensure that you do the addition. Add 1 only if the digit to the right of 9 is 5 or greater, a number that is 5 or greater than 5. You round up. Only when rounding up, you add 1. When you are rounding down, you maintain the digits. So these are exam questions. As simple as that. We don't need to waste time. See you in the next lesson.